Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. Tonight we're with the Granite 4x4 and I've got it lit up with my little LED strip. I've just fixed the slipper clutch and it's on 3S LiPo. It's got the Traxxas VXL 3500 kilovolt system in it, so brushless. So let's go take it for a rip and see what it's like.
That was friggin' cool, man. Oh, so awesome. Ah. It has no slip now. Friggin' awesome. Ah, gross. Oh, that's terrible. This will kill your car if you don't deal with it. It'll break an axle. Look at it. Alright, thanks for flinging water into it.
Alright guys, that was the Granite 4x4 with the VXL 3S system in it, 17 tooth pinion. Slipper clutch is working great. It's ready to bash. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this, hit that like button. If you're new around here, subscribe. If you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. And as always, thanks for watching.